The Sustainable CT Summer Fellowship places students across the state at Connecticut Councils of Governments, otherwise known as COGs. Fellows are instrumental in facilitating town certification and, more importantly, in including helping towns to define and execute the actions required to achieve certification. A typical day for a fellow that is working with certifying towns might involve assisting towns in preparing their application materials, meeting with local municipal leaders and volunteers to assess a town's encompassing sustainability portfolio, and collaborating with other fellows on the State Relevant Fellows Group project.
My favorite parts of this fellowship has been getting to be in the COG office and meeting different people who work for the COG.
Fellows often work closely with local sustainability teams on cutting-edge sustainability practices and make a meaningful impact.
And a unique experience through this fellowship was being able to be such an integral part of Essex, Connecticut's application process. That's my hometown, so I felt very connected to it. I was glad to be able to help them with their equity toolkit process as well as their 2025 certification.
Fellows receive weekly training where they expand their sustainability knowledge and network as they connect with experts from across the state.
One of my favorite parts was actually our weekly trainings, where they would bring on someone of a completely different profession, whether it was a lawyer or someone from another nonprofit who would speak to us, and you really get a lot of insight into a lot of different career options. So that's my favorite part about the fellowship.
Fellows also learn more about the sustainability landscape across Connecticut through visiting and interacting with environmentally and politically important places across the state. This gives them better exposure to the diverse places across Connecticut and the ability to bond as a cohort.
My favorite part of Sustainable CT is being able to visit these amazing places all around Connecticut. We went to the Mark Twain House, the Real World, Pecan, Waste to Energy facility, and a lot more opportunities to just see what's around Connecticut and explore.
The Sustainable CT Fellowship provides a direct pipeline connecting Connecticut students with local and regional government. Sustainable CT Fellows have gone on to intern at the Connecticut General Assembly, pursued advanced degrees, and worked at the COGs as regional planners, and even worked for towns that they once supported as fellows.
Being a part of the Sustainable CT 2022 Fellowship cohort was really the catalyst of my environmental planning career. It introduced me to municipal government, and it exposed me to all the different facets of municipal government and planning and sustainability, and kind of the different relationships and networks that work between nonprofit organizations, municipal government, regional government.
The fellowship equips you with the skills, network, and passion to be a sustainability leader. The Fellows' work has a lasting impact beyond their summer with Sustainable CT as they encourage local leaders to imagine a more new, sustainable future.